Our original car is very heavy, very bulky, but we love it so much because it's the first time that, at least in recent history, that the school has produced something from idea to prototype to finished product completely by students. There are other projects happening at school, but ours is really the first to have a fully functioning product at the very end of it.
I think our main focus was just to build a car, right? Build a car in 8 months, bring it to competition. That was our main goal. And we did that for the most part. The car ran and we brought it to competition. This year, our main goal is really to try to bring more people together to get this hands-on experience.
It's an amazing experience. And as a computer science major, I think it's something I would not have typically gotten out of my computer science program. But thanks to NYU and being so integrated between different majors, it's been quite an experience.
This is a place for people to talk about their ideas and bring their ideas into the real world, into prototypes, because that's the whole point of doing this project. Like, you create something, you break it, and then you fix it again to make something even better. For all that we went through, I feel like we accomplished so much.